Alright, I'm using the Canadian Tire website that I use often for shopping. I'm at the home page, and first time I press tab, I get what looks to be an automatic option for keyboard navigation that says skip to main content, and another one, skip to department navigation. That's kind of cool. I wonder what happens when I click on them. I just hit shift tab to go back. Enter. That looks like the main content. Now, how I get back to where I was, I don't know. Oh, there we go. I see it navigating backwards from cart to wish list, triangle rewards, flyer, search bar, location. There. I guess pressing enter on the logo took me back to the home page. So I'm back at square one. So I'm going to try and go all the way across. I'm at sign in. The visual keyboard focus seems clear enough, although not. It's blue on sign in, and then so it's a blue box. Now I'm in the search bar, tabbing through. Oh, that drop down search bar doesn't go away. Not sure why. The triangle rewards that I'm on now has a different visual keyboard focus. It's blue all the way up. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Anyways, now I'm at the cart and navigating through. It's really annoying that this drop down search window is here. Don't know how to make it go away. I just hit the escape key. That hasn't done anything. But now I can't see where I am anymore. Oh, hot sale. So I can't see anything behind automotive in that next menu bar. So it is reading left to right. So far the logical reading order I think is pretty accurate, but I can't see anything. If I could see it behind that menu bar. Hot sale I'm on. Now it looks like I've selected the main banner. I'm not sure what I'm on, but I know I'm clicking through things because I can see the URL path change in the bottom. Oh, there we go. So that took me somewhere. So I must have been clicking. I'm going shift tab to go backwards now. I must have been clicking through those, but not able to see it. So it looks like I'm halfway through the home page and I'm going through the top categories, and it's still going in a logical reading order of left to right and top to bottom. Now I'm not sure where I am. I was on hot sale clearance. Oh, it looks like it's taking me to some options at the very bottom of the screen. I can see the visual keyboard focus. The screen's not scrolling down at the same time, so I can't tell what I am selecting. Oh, my recently viewed items. And now I'm on these left and right tab for scrolling. I wonder if I hit enter. So that brings it across. I can navigate through that by hitting enter on that button. I'm going to keep going down, continuing. I'm not sure what I'm selecting now. It seems that the visual keyboard focus has disappeared. Oh, and we are going through the bottom footer menu nav. So keep going all the way through, and it looks like the logical reading order is through all the way down to the bottom. Oh, I wonder, going back up, I can go all the way back up. Going to use the up and down arrows to navigate to the top of the screen. but now I want to go all the way up to the top, which I can seem to do pretty quickly. Now I'm back at the top. Every time that I go in that search bar, it brings down most popular items, but then I can't seem to, so if I go navigate into it and hit escape, it will make that disappear. So that's good to know. I'm going to try shopping for something. Something that I was going to shop for. So I type it in the search bar, and hitting tab again takes me out of the search bar, so I'm going to go back in. And maybe the down arrow. Yeah, the down arrow lets me select some options, but I can also just hit enter, I assume. And it will take me to a page of my search results. So that's useful. And if I wanted to get to those search results, I have to go back into the search menu and escape it to make that disappear. I don't know if I would call that a keyboard trap or not, because you can get out of it, but it seems a little hard to get out of it. And let's say I want to, so I have to go through all these filters, it looks like, before I can get to the options that are in front of me. All the way down. Oh, and now we're in the one disappear. So that's one option, add to cart, and another option. So now, but now I'm back in the filters. So that's weird. So it looks like it takes me halfway through the filters and then to the menu options. So maybe this seems a little hard to navigate. I have to go through all of the top menus again. Oh, and I'm scrolling through, but have to go back if I want that search bar pop up to close. So hit escape to close that, and then continue through. All of the options on this page seem to follow a logical reading order as well. And it's very hard to see when I have gone to the add to cart button. The visual keyboard focus is really light blue, and it doesn't show up when you've selected the add to cart button very easily. But if I press that, nothing happens. So I press enter and nothing happens, even though I know I'm on the add to cart button. I'll throw a spacebar. Spacebar also doesn't do anything. I know for sure, yeah, I am on the add to cart. I can't seem to add it to my cart by pressing enter or the space button. So that's unfortunate. While I was able to navigate the website, it does seem to follow logical reading order. I do find the visual keyboard focus to be not consistent, and in some buttons not appear at all or appear differently. Overall, I think it's pretty accessible, but then again, I can't add this item to, let's see if I can plus it. I can add 2 by entering the plus button, but highlighting the add to cart button is not adding it to my cart. So I would say that's overall not accessible if I can't actually make a purchase using only keyboard navigation.